There we go. One box of 2015 Fleer Retro Marvel or Bobapat Patrick. Good luck. Buena suerte. Let's pull you a Glebe sketch or another one. Not a green or a gold or a jambalaya. Spider-Man jambalaya. Oh man. I know, Bowman. I know, Ryan, but still. Alright, here we go. Oh, they have it listed already? Oh, cool. That somebody had asked me about that earlier. Star-studded. You got the regular Hulk now. That one. The other one was the Red Hulk. Really? I wish that's how it worked, man. Sit here and tip them all day. Red PMG. Let's take a look at it. It is Daredevil. Daredevil Red PMG, 70 of 100. There's a red precious metal gem. See what we got here. Spider-Man signed superheroes insert. It is signed by Michael Zeck. Bullseye. Rachel Rosenberg. Bullseye. Black Widow. Inserts. You're getting acted anyways. Thor. Iron Man metal. Iron Man metal. Spider-Man, superheroes, and Gambit metal. Iron Man and Sakaar. Sakaar is not a variant. Dr. Octopus metal. Red Skull's a card behind it. Hulk Jump Jet. Not variation. Hulk Jump Jet. Haven't hit a variation yet out of that stuff. The clear ones yet. There's Iron Fist. And Captain Marvel. There's something stuck behind her. There you go. Captain Marvel. And we got Doctor Strange. Alright, so the sketch is going to be on this side. Clear our essential credential. Dracula. Dracula essential credential. Oh. He's froze. He's frozen in time. Oi, 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 oi. Whistle while you work. What you doing? What you doing? What did I clear the chat for? What did he say? You're back? Alright. Did you see the Dracula? Okay. Stop! Alright, there's the Dracula. That was your essential credential, was a Dracula. Essential credential Dracula. And another one. Look at this. 2 red PMGs in 1 box. Come on, Spidey, be Spidey, be Spidey. It is not Spidey, it is Apocalypse. Red PMG. Apocalypse. That is numbered 16 of 100. Okay, 7 feet tall, 300 pounds. Very nice. Stop! Jose, stop. Yeah. Both of you, stop again. Yeah. Falcon? Yeah, see? Stop. And Hulk. Yeah, Hulk, clear. Got Thanos again, metal Thanos, and Hulk, Flare Hulk. Is there a sketch card in here? No, no sketch card. We got Spider-Man, superheroes, and our Flare Cable. Are you gonna stop? Just leave it alone. Just stop. Just stop. Alright, we still got a sketch coming. Got Black Cat, Storm, there's a throwback Black Cat, she's 6'3", 170, huh? Jeez. Storm, Flare. Ghost Rider. Iron Man. We got an Iron Man Superheroes. Ghost Rider. There's our sketch right behind that one. So we got Hope. Save our sketch. There's a Tuma. This one is Punisher. That is signed by Kenneth Rocafort. And Elektra, signed in gold ink. June Brigman. Alright, again we got Atuma. Suspended animation. Atuma. Not a variant on Atuma. And our sketch is nice. That is a nice sketch. Jean Grey. It's from Cyclops. Mr. Splurge. Nice. I don't know who the artist is. They didn't put their name on it. But that's the artist down here. I've seen this signature before, but very nice. All right, Ryan. Have a good night. Have a wonderful night, Ryan. And Magneto's last base. Cool. Thank you, Patrick.